Good morning, everyone. Today I will be speaking to you about Flask. So the question is, what is Flask? Flask is a lightweight, flexible micro-web framework for Python. It has things such as routing, request handling, and templating. This might sound familiar. Perhaps you're thinking of Node.js and Express. If you've taken the backend class or the full stack class or the web services class, perhaps you've used Express with Node.js. If you have used that, then you would have been using JavaScript, writing in JavaScript. With Flask, however, you get to write in Python. Let's go over and get started by doing a quick installation. So, to start, we will make a demo directory. We'll go into that demo and we will create our virtual environment. We'll activate said virtual environment and we'll install Flask. As you can see, I've switched over to VS Code, and you can see here is the Flask documentation. We'll click Quick Start, and let's go ahead, create a file named app.py. Copy this code, place it in. This code is pretty simple. First we import Flask, then we pass in the application's package or module into the Flask instance that we're creating and storing into this app variable. Then we use this route decorator to define that this function will be for a route, and we're going to pass in the string, which is the route, into that decorator, and then we'll return this hello world inside the function. So the reason why we named this app.py, by the way, is so that down here you can see this. It's a shortcut. So we can do, let's go into our virtual environment, we can do Flask run. Okay. Now let's go ahead and let me do this. Okay. This is using the REST client, by the way, extension. We'll send that request. You can see we get hello world. Now you might be thinking that that was a pretty boring application, and you would be right. So let's add some more functionality. We have here, you can see you can add more routing, so let's test this out. We're also going to be returning a Python dictionary instead. I'll show you what that does here. As you can see here, we return JSON because we're returning the Python dictionary. Also, you can add variables. So we have this user variable that gets passed into the function and returned here. So we can send that hello Mitch, or we can make it hello Mitchell. There we go. You can also make a post request. So, for example, here we have method post, and we're passing in this JSON data. We'll send that. It says hello about, because we get it from this get JSON method on the request that we import up here, and you can see we access that. So there is a lot more functionality to Flask in, but I hope that you have enjoyed this short introduction to it. Thank you.